In the heart of the American West, a symphony of iron, sweat, and determination began to take shape. For years, the dream of connecting the vast lands of the East and West coasts had been a whispered reverie, a distant promise that seemed as elusive as the setting sun. But in the spring of 1869, that dream became a reality. Under the watchful eyes of thousands, two railroad crews, one led by Chinese laborers, the other by Irish workers, converged on Promontory Summit, Utah Territory. The Union Pacific Railroad from the east and the Central Pacific Railroad from the west, a 1,910-mile iron artery that would bind the nation together like never before. The air was thick with anticipation, the tension palpable. The day of reckoning was upon them. On May 10, 1869, as the sun blazed high in the sky, a golden spike was driven into the tracks, marking the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad. The ceremony was a spectacle, a testament to human endurance and ambition. Leland Stanford, a Central Pacific Railroad president, swung a silver hammer, a symbol of the nation's newfound connection. In that moment, the ceremony was not just a celebration of the railroad's completion, but a celebration of the American spirit. The Transcontinental Railroad was more than a feat of engineering, it was a symbol of progress. It opened up the vast, untamed West to settlement, accelerated commerce, and connected the nation like never before. It was a vital tool in the westward expansion of the United States, making it easier for settlers to migrate, goods to travel, and businesses to blossom. Yet, the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad was not without its controversies. The Chinese laborers, who had played a crucial role in the railroad's construction, faced discrimination and violence upon its completion. Their contributions were often overlooked, their stories buried beneath the tracks they laid. The Transcontinental Railroad had a profound impact on America, shaping the nation's future and transforming the West. It was a monument to human ingenuity, a testament to the power of perseverance, and a symbol of the American dream. A dream that, like the railroad itself, stretched across the vast expanse of the American continent, connecting the dreams of the East and West, knitting the nation together, one iron spike at a time.